To manage bookings on the Vrbo app, start by logging into your account and navigating to the dashboard. This is where you will find an overview of all your properties and their corresponding bookings. First, click on the property you want to manage, and then select the Bookings tab. Here, you will see a list of all upcoming and past bookings, including the guest's name, check-in and check-out dates, and the total cost of the booking. To view more details about a specific booking, click on the booking and you will be taken to the booking details page. This page includes information such as the guest's contact details, payment status, and any messages exchanged between you and the guest. If you need to make any changes to a booking, such as updating the guest's information or adjusting the dates, you can do so by clicking the Edit button. Be sure to communicate any changes to your guest promptly to avoid any confusion. Another important aspect of managing bookings is responding to guest inquiries and messages. The Vrbo app allows you to communicate with guests directly through the messaging system. Be sure to respond to all messages in a timely and professional manner to ensure a positive experience for your guests. To avoid double bookings and ensure that your calendar is up to date, make sure to regularly update your property's availability. You can do this by clicking on the Calendar tab and selecting the dates that your property is available or unavailable. Finally, to keep track of your bookings and stay organized, consider using the Vrbo app's reporting features. These features allow you to generate reports on your bookings, revenue, and guest activity, giving you valuable insights into your business and helping you make informed decisions. By following these steps and using the Vrbo app's features, you can effectively manage your bookings and provide a great experience for your guests. Remember to always respond to messages promptly, update your calendar regularly, and use the reporting features to stay organized and informed.